Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. My name is Liv, and I make panning videos, empties videos, product I fit panning videos. So if you are a fan of those videos, as I am, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any videos that I post of those varieties, of that variety. I have a cold again. I keep getting cold. It's very annoying. So excuse my sniffliness. But I am very excited because today is the finale of my 2019 rolling project pan. This has been my year-long project where I have been working on 10 products at a time, and every month when I have empties I replace them. My goal was to always be working on a nail polish, which has helped me move 3 out in this project. Yeah, moved 3 out in this project. I made good progress on a 4th. I'm so proud. Every month I said, I would say that I was so proud of myself in this project and that I was getting through so much stuff. And although I only have 1 empty this month and 4 things I haven't managed to finish, because the last couple of months I've not been adding anything in, I have just counted up and I have managed to finish 30 products, I think. Let me just double check. Yeah, I finished 30 products in this project alone, which is absolutely crazy, and the 4 that I haven't managed to finish, I am sure I will get done next year. I'm going to make sure I finish them up next year, and I've made really good progress on them to put me in good stead to do so next year. So I'm so proud of myself. The one product I finished since last time was one I wasn't expecting, and it is the Model Co. eyeliner. Yeah, the product that you could get to snapped when I was last using it. So I was like, I can't fix it, so it's done. It was just a black retractable liner. It wasn't amazing, it was quite dry, but I'm so glad that's gone. And then the 4 things I didn't finish, my 2 nail products. This is what I thought I was gonna have done, but I didn't. It's this lilac-y pinky glitter from eBay. I've made it down to here. I've made no progress since last time. I think I've used it once since last time, if that. I feel like these glitters are too big to go in your eye, even though I think eBay markets, I think when I got these on eBay it said they were eye safe. I don't really remember. I used them on my eye before and there was no irritation, but don't do that. But on your nails they don't look great. I've been doing it and they can look a little bit like that it falls off. I can't, but I do want to finish this, and I have 3 other pots of this that I need to get through, so yes, didn't finish that. My Primark Movie Nude Nail Polish, I'm down to here, so I used about half of it in this project, which is good, but I am already finding this is already going gloopy. I did get this my birthday in 2018, so it is 18 months old, but I've got older polishes than that have not gone gloopy, so that's really annoying. I think it's because I've been using this a lot in a few months, that it's got a lot of air into it quite quickly. But it's a nice colour. I've been wearing it with the glitter, so I'm going to work on these again together next year. This has been in for months. The 17 Define and Conquer Contour Kit. The writing is all wearing off. It's so manky looking. It is getting so thin, the bronzer side. I've got patches where I've re-hit pan and you can see all of the pan underneath it. I think I'm just going to keep working on this until it's gone. Which part of me is yeah, that's a good idea, and part of me is I bet it's going to last me till October of next year, and I'm going to go insane because there's another bronzer I want to finish next year, but this is my top priority bronzer to get out of my collection. It's just so frustrating. Again, this I really want to get done next year. Come springtime, I'm going to be wearing this so much. It is my Revlon Super Lustrous Lipstick in Pink Pout. It's one of the matte finish ones. I didn't bring my notebook over, but there is the tiniest bit left in there that I'm sure if I used this consistently for a month, if I used this, even every day for a few weeks, it would not last long. It's a spring colour. I need to get through it, because it's not my fave. I prefer things more mauvey than this. This is quite baby pink, but I used to love it, but just not anymore. So that is the update since last month, but I thought, seeing as this is the finale, I should run you over everything I have finished this year in this project. I hope I haven't missed anything. I'm pretty sure this was everything. So yeah, there's no particular order to this. I've just got a pile of stuff. I'm going to pick stuff up. I've got the Secret Sass, Champagne and Strawberries Fragrance Mist. The next gold eau de parfum, this I loved. Dr. Paw Paw Original Balm, didn't like that. This is like a little preview to my 2019 empties. Tanya Burr Mini Marshmallows Nail Polish, loved that. The Lola Barcelona Polish in Born, and this beautiful glitter from Primark that I absolutely loved. My Sleek Iron Cheek palette in All Day Soiree, which if you've watched any other Project Pan updates, you'll know I use this to repress stuff into. Primark's My Perfect Colour Loose Mineral Powder in Ivory, and My Cosmetics eyeshadow in Necked, like a brow bone highlight shade, pretty. Sleek Twist Up Lip Pencil in Sugared Apple, Ico Fat Eye Stick in Satin, Essence Lip Liner in the Nude, Me Beat the Blues Pale Pink Highlighter, Soap and Glory Sexy Mother Pucker in Punch Bowl, Bang Beauty Brow Cream in Dark Brown, this dried out on me. Rimmel Brow This Way Eyebrow Kit, Revolution, this was like the double-ended brow pencil. You got the spoolie one end, and then the like triangular brow pencil. It's in dark brown. It's so funny when I was like going through all of my empties to find these, because it's like a year's worth of stuff you finished, you forget some things. Like this thing, the Revolution Amazing Inner Eye Brightener that I absolutely hated. Essence Satin Mauve Lip Liner, MUA Snow White eyeliner, Pop Beauty Kajal Pencil in Sooty Black, W7 Banana Dreams Loose Powder, Natural Collection Translucent Powder, Natural Collection Sun Tint Bronzing Powder in Sunshine, the Freedom Pro Contour Kit, I just used up the lighter half, Collection Velvet Kiss in Caramel, Barry M lipstick, oh my god, like, it's so broken. This is very broken. Barry M lipstick in Truffle Shuffle, e.l.f. Brightening Eye Colour in Day to Night. I didn't finish the black because no. And finally, my So Susan Universal blusher that I completely forgot about. So that is a good amount of product I've moved out, and I'm really happy because a lot of the stuff I used up was things that I wasn't like super keen on. I don't fully know my panning style because I do like to pan things I like, but also I think it is definitely more I want to pan things I'm not a big fan of to then have a collection of stuff I love. But I feel like even when my collection has stuff I love, I'm still going to pan because it's so much fun. And like, this is satisfying to see all of these empties. So I hope your year-long projects have been as successful or even more so. But if you don't think they've been successful, like, don't be hard on yourself, because even if you only move out like one product, that's still one product you have got out of your collection. So I think that's like the important way to look at it. I'm very happy with all this. I now need to clean up this mess and put all of these empties back into like their storage for when I film my end of year makeup empties, which I'm going to try and film on New Year's Eve, because I should in the daytime have the house to myself, so I should be able to film a couple of videos that day. That's my plan. Yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you've enjoyed watching this throughout the year, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye everyone.